What's up guys, it is Slothman, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a bunch of 1/12 scale record sleeves. So first what you're going to need to do is go online, and you're going to need to find all the artwork that you're looking for. So I put this together using Photoshop, and how I did it was I went to discogs.com, DISCOGS, and I just searched for what I was looking for, and when you find it, you can find the front and the back. So I just copied it over, put it into Photoshop, set the front to 1 inch, grab the back, set that to 1 inch as well, and I set them all up in a grid. So I got the front and the back. The back is upside down, that way you could fold it on the center. And so what I did is I spaced them out, lined them up vertically and horizontally to reduce the amount of cuts that I have to do. I'm not going to show you all this, but basically once you print it out, you print it on 11 by 17, 8.5 by 11, whatever you have access to. Then you can go through and cut the whole row. Don't cut all the way through the sheet, that way it stays attached. So do the bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top, all the way down. Then next what you're going to do is you're going to come back and you're going to do all the vertical cuts. And then this is going to separate the pieces. Once you've got them all cut out, it should look something like this. For the next step, you're going to take your record sleeve and you're going to fold it in half. You're going to put a nice crease on it. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to take some packing tape. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the grid on my cutting mat. I'm going to cut about 2 inches and 1/8. This is a 1 inch record sleeve. And then what you're going to do next is you're going to line it up on to one of the lines on your cutting grid. If you have one, it's going to make it a lot easier. I mean, you don't need the cutting grid, but it's going to make life a ton easier. So you stick it down right on the edge. That way there's nothing overhanging. The goal is to do this in as little cuts as possible. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take one edge, fold it up, and you're doing this face down. That way this seam that you're going to have is going to be on the back so you don't see it. Fold up the other side. Now we've got a nice seam there. You can barely even see it. And now all you need to do is just come in with your knife and carefully cut off that bottom. And boom, you got a 1/12 record sleeve, and you only had to make one cut to make it after you trimmed it out.